Does your closet look like this or this?
Well, if so, here at MKM, we can do this or this.
You got to tune into this episode and find out more.
Really, Mary?
Welcome back to Really Mary. I have the really privilege, because if you're anything like me and your closet's a mess, to introduce you to MKM Closets Design. They are a premier client and partner of ours. And what's most important is Dominic is going to lead you through a process of what you could do to upgrade and update your closet. So Dominic Bevacqua, we thank you for coming on the show today. And just give us a little background. Tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
Sure, Mary. Thank you for having me. MKM Closets is a ventilated shelving company. Mm-hmm. We specialize in ventilated shelvings with hanging rods underneath. We can do as simple as that, or we can go as custom and built in as a client might want.
Yeah.
So that'll include like tower units, which is a drawer base below and then some adjustable shelving above. Mm-hmm. We can do hamper units, dresser units, and even an island if we have enough room in the closet.
Yeah, that's very popular these days in a very large. As a matter of fact, you did a design for us in one of our homes we have for sale.
We did, and that incorporated tower units. I believe there was a hamper in it. Mm-hmm. We had some support panels to make it look a bit more built in. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that came out really nice.
It did. At least the design did, because we don't have it in there yet, right?
Yes. Yeah, but that's the next step.
Yeah. And now, one of the things that people are talking about is a material.
Right.
And I know when you and I've talked about it, you really upgrade the material that you created these closets in.
Right. So our supplier, Cope Closet Concepts, they're based out of Georgia. We get all of our material from them. It's a ash hardwood. So they like to say that it's the same material that they make baseball bats out of.
Oh, nice.
So it's going to be a really sturdy and good quality product that's going to last a long time.
Sure.
Melamine looks great when it first goes in, but over time it can start to fall apart, warp, the edge banding can come off, that kind of stuff. So it looks good going in, but it's not going to last as long as our product using the wood.
Which is wonderful. And, most of our luxury clients, if you're, into that group, really want something that they're not going to have to go back and redo over and over again. Exactly. So if I'm looking, like I know my own closets, we've talked about that because we're going to redo my bath and some other things, and the closets go with that. Really were, at the time it was built, were those iron kind of rods that were in there.
Yeah, the wire shelving.
The wire shelving.
And I think that's one thing that sets us apart is we also have a construction company. We had that before purchasing MKM, and we're kind of a one-stop shop. So if I come in and you have wire shelving that we need to take out, you don't have to call a handyman or another builder. We can remove the shelving, patch the wall, paint the wall, and then come in and install your dream closet.
That's wonderful, because I don't know, again, I like that one-stop shop, right? Or one throat to choke kind of thing from that perspective, because I want actually to work with somebody that's got my interest at heart. They're going to do the job from beginning to end and make sure that I'm satisfied, which your clients, we've worked with a number of, mutual clients, and they are very happy with your work.
Well, I appreciate that. And my father, when he started the business 20 years ago, the construction side, he's never done marketing. It's always been word of mouth, and, you stand on your reputation.
Yes.
And we like to think that we have a good reputation, and you build that relationship, and then your client becomes comfortable with you, and they don't have to look for somebody else to do specific things. We can handle everything.
And you work a lot on referrals.
We do.
Right?
We do.
Happy clients, kind of bring other happy clients.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's our motto.
That's wonderful. I know we're going to show some of these designs in this video, but, simple to, a bigger closet. I know everything's going to have its own cost, but something that has a center in the closet and shelving all around. What kind of price point are we looking at for those?
I mean, I don't like to give pricing. especially when I don't know what I'm pricing exactly.
Yeah.
Because every job is a little different. But I would say if you're going to do like a simple install with just a few shelves in it, just the basics, you're going to be looking at a couple thousand. Whereas if you're going to do an island, maybe get a quartz countertop put on it, really go crazy in your closet, you're looking at somewhere between 15 upwards of 20 for that. But if you have another company come in to do a totally built-in system, like total, more like cabinetry,
Right.
that's going to be crazy expensive. So we're kind of that middle area.
Perfect.
We're not like crazy cheap wire, but we're also not crazy expensive cabinetry.
Yeah. I love that. I don't know about you, but closets and organization is really my problem in life because I have too much stuff and never enough places to put it, especially here in Southwest Florida. So if you are looking to do something with your closets and get it designed, or a general contractor, how do they get in touch with you, Dominic?
You can go to our website, either mdbgeneralcontractors.com or mkmclosets.com.
Yeah. Awesome.
And you can reach out personally to me. My phone number is 239-272-6944.
This is something I know everyone's going to do, so I hope your phone doesn't blow up on you in one hand, and the other hand, I hope it does.
Well, we would appreciate that.
So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premiere Plus Realty, here with
Dominic with MKM Closets and MDB General Contractors.
We look forward to seeing you here in Paradise and hopefully building in a new closet.